Hi, my name's Jade. I'm a postdoc at the University of Sheffield and I'm working on a study to develop a patient decision aid for genetic testing in MND. As a bit of background, genetic testing offers people living with MND the chance to find out if their condition is caused by a known genetic change. And where a genetic change or genetic variant responsible for the disease is identified, family members may have the option of predictive or pre-symptomatic testing to find out if they've inherited this and have an increased chance of developing the condition. It's predicted that with advances in clinical trials, including those targeting particular genetic forms of MND, that there be an increased uptake of genetic testing. However, genetic testing is a complex decision. It has wide implications for the individual and the family, so it's important that people are supported over the process of making the decision. Our study aims to develop a decision aid to support people with MND to make decisions on genetic testing and family members to consider their choices around predictive testing. Decision aids are interactive resources that help people make reasoned decisions between two or more options. They present balanced information on the choices available and help people align that with their values and priorities and what's important to them. The process of developing a decision aid is quite a long and winding one, through from doing initial research to inform the content of the decision aid and ensure that it reflects the needs of the people who will be using it, right through to evaluating it once it's been implemented. Our initial 2-year project really aims at the first half of this map, so we plan to research, develop, publish, and then test and refine a decision aid. We are doing 3 studies to inform the development of the decision aid. The first of those is semi-structured interviews, where we're talking to people with MND and family members about their experiences of genetic testing, the decisions they've made, and their information and support needs. We're also doing a study observing and recording clinic consultations in neurology and genetics to see how genetics and genetic testing is discussed and areas where additional information might be helpful. And finally, we're doing a survey of clinician views, confidence in carrying out genetic testing, and their training priorities. And as the project develops, we hope that we will develop a resource that will support people with MND and family members to make informed choices around genetic testing that are right for them. So this is our project team. We would like to thank our funders, the Motor Neuron Disease Association, our steering committee, and all of the participants.